स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड का अगला चैप्टर। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स फर्स्ट। If x square is equal to y, we say that the square root of y is x, and we write root over of y is equal to x. So root over of 4 is equal to 2, root of 9 is equal to 3, and root of 196 will be equals to 14. These are some examples to understand. Now let's talk about cube roots. We denote the cube root of a number x by cube root of x. So for example, cube root of 8 equals to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2. Cube root of 343 equals to cube root of 7 into 7 into 7, that is equal to 7. Now let's note some relations. Square root of x into y is equal to square root of x into square root of y. Square root of x by y is equal to square root of x divided by square root of y, that is equal to square root of x divided by square root of y into square root of y by y, because y by y equals to 1, that is equal to square root of x into y divided by y. Now to understand the applications of square root and cube root, let's look at some examples. First example, if 3 root 5 plus root over of 125 is equal to 17 into 88, then what will be the value of root over of 80 plus 6 root 5? The options are 13.41, 20.46, 21.66, 22.35. The right option is option D, 22.35. Let's see the explanation and know how. Now here let's see the first equation, which is 3 into square root of 5 plus root over of 125 is equal to 17.88. Now we are breaking this. That implies 3 into root over of 5 plus root over of 25 into 5 is equal to 17.88. Now root over of 25 into 5 is equal to 5 into root over of 5. Because 25's root over is 5. So 5 comes out of the root over sign. Then by adding both, we are getting 8 into root over of 5 is equal to 17 into 88. So root over of 5 is equal to 2.235. So we are getting the value of root 5 here. Now let's go to the next equation, which is root over of 80 plus 6 root 5. That is equal to, now let's break root over of 80 as root over of 16 into 5 plus 6 into root over of 5. Now as 16 is the square root of 4, so 4 comes out of root over sign. So it becomes 4 into root over of 5 plus 6 into root over of 5, which is equal to 10 into root over of 5. Now in the above equation, we have already got the value of root over of 5, that is equal to 2.235. So by replacing 2.235 with root over of 5, we are getting the answer as 22.35. Then the next question, if a equals to 0.1039, then the value of 4a square minus 4a plus 1's root over plus 3a is. Options are 0.1039, 0.2078, 1.1039 or 2.1039. The right option is option C, 1.1039. Let's see how. Now in this explanation, we can see first we are breaking the equation into simpler form. So within the square root sign, if you are breaking 4a square, we are getting it as 2a's whole square, and 1 is equal to 1's whole square, and 4a becomes 2 into 1 into 2a. So this is nothing but a minus b's whole square formula. So below we can simply put it as 1 minus 2a's whole square's root over plus 3a. Now square root and square cancels each other. So it becomes 1 minus 2a plus 3a, that is equal to 1 plus a. Now we know the value of a, that is equal to 0.1039. So the answer is 1.1039. Next example, if x is equal to root over of 3 plus 1 by root over of 3 minus 1 and y is equal to root over of 3 minus 1 by root over of 3 plus 1, then the value of x square plus y square is, options are 10, 13, 14 or 15. The right option is option C, 14. Let's see how. Now here, first we are simplifying the equation for x. We are multiplying square root of 3 plus 1 in both numerator and denominator side. Then we are getting the equation as square root of 3 plus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. Because in the denominator end, we can see root 3 minus 1 whole into root 3 plus 1 is equal to a minus b whole into a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So the value is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Then simplifying the numerator, we are getting it as 2 plus root 3. Then we are doing a similar exercise with y and getting the value of y as 2 minus root 3. Now to find the value of x square plus y square, we are simply replacing the value of x and y. Then by solving this equation, we are getting the value as 14. Next question. The square root of 7 plus 3 square root 5 whole into 7 minus 3 square root 5 is, the options are root 5, 2, 4 or 3 root 5. The right option is option B, 2. Let's see how. Now putting the question into expressions, we are getting square root of 7 plus 3 square root 5 whole into 7 minus 3 square root 5. Now a plus b whole into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. That is equal to square root of 7 square minus 3 square root 5's whole square. That is equal to 49 minus 45's square root equals to 4 square root equals to 2. Next question. Square root of 0.0169 into what is equal to 1.3? The options are 10, 100, 1000 or none of these. The right option is option B, 100. Let's see how. Now straight away taking this equation, let square root of 0.0169 into x equals to 1.3. Now taking the square root to the next side of the equation, it becomes 1.3's square. So 0.0169x equals to 1.69. So x equal to 1.69 divided by 0.0169, which is equal to 100.